Hello everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you because some of you asked, how do you copy a design from a specific Elementor edit page, everything to other page? So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can do just that with a few simple clicks. Yes, the whole design, all the elements, all the styles, everything from one page to the other. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm here in my WP admin dashboard. I have two of these pages opened up. One is a new page and the other one is my front page, as we can see right here. So let's open up the new page and then I'll copy the design from my front page to this page. So let's call this page something like copy, paste, design, and I'll head over and edit it with Elementor. So we have everything here is setting up. I'll transform it, view the settings option over here, and I'll head over and scroll to the bottom here to the page layout, and I'll just turn it into an Elementor canvas, and I'll click, in my case, update or publish in this case. What you want to do is head over to the page that you want to copy everything, all the styles, the design, everything. So you want to head over to the navigator, or if you're in the new editor of Elementor with the top bar, it will be called something different, something like structure or something of a sort. I don't quite remember the name, but I think that's it. Head over, click the navigator, and then navigator will pop up. Usually what you think you should do is click one container and then hold shift and then select the other ones. But you can see here right now, it doesn't work for me. So what I figured out you can do is click the first one, the first container here, and then hold control or command if you're on Mac, and then just click the other containers. So you'll be able to see that it actually is selecting them. As you can see here, these ones are selected and these ones are not selected yet. So I would select these ones, and then I'll just click with my right click on my mouse, copy, and then I'll head over to my other page, and then I'll just click over here, the right click over here, and I'll click paste. And that should take all the design. As we can see here, everything was copied from the home page or whatever page that you want to, and everything was pasted inside this page. Now, some of you might ask, okay, fine, but I will have to edit everything manually. Then the answer is yes. And I think that should be great because it will give you the flexibility to edit everything the way that you wanted, whether it's in a different language, whether it's the prices, as we can see here, because prices can vary from one service to the other, or the buttons over here can be also stylized to a different link. Then again, I think once you have this control, I think that's great. It's not something you should be worrying about. It's something that comes to you, because otherwise, if it was locked and you would not be able to change it, then I'll be worrying about that. But other than that, once you're done and you stylize everything and you changed everything, just as usual, click update and the changes will be updated. And yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, I'd be really glad to if you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any tutorial that I post on Elementor, WooCommerce, and WordPress. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.